Welcome back to Auto Updates, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota Stout. This compact pickup truck is set to make waves with its blend of functionality, style, and advanced features. Design: the Stout showcases a modern, rugged aesthetic that combines classic truck elements with contemporary styling. Its bold front grille and aggressive stance give it a commanding presence, while the aerodynamic lines enhance fuel efficiency and overall appeal. The LED headlights and taillights not only improve visibility but also add a stylish touch to the overall look. This is a truck that stands out whether you're on the job site or cruising around town. Interior: the 2025 Stout doesn't skimp on comfort or technology. The cabin is designed with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and a premium feel. You'll find an intuitive infotainment system featuring a large touchscreen display with smartphone integration, so you can easily access your favorite apps and navigation tools. Spacious seating accommodates both drivers and passengers comfortably, making it suitable for long drives or daily commutes. Plus, clever storage solutions throughout the interior keep your belongings organized. Performance: the Stout delivers an impressive driving experience. With a refined suspension system and responsive steering, it strikes a balance between comfort and capability. The available four-wheel drive option makes it versatile for off-road adventures, while the smooth transmission ensures seamless gear shifts on various terrains. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rugged trails, the Stout handles it all with ease. Thanks for tuning in to Auto Updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive insights and reviews.